Hello painting peeps and welcome to the No Bra Zone. It's Kathleen from Cause Creations. Always happy when you all join me. It's a gray rainy day here and I thought I'd come on down and get some painting on here in my happy place. I did a swipe for the last video with a little lesson from my teacher Courtney Hauscher on the effects of silicone and how to get cells without using it and whatnot. And I was so in love with the colors I used. I thought I'd do another little ditty using some of the leftover paints, but I'm gonna do it a little bit different. I'm going to do two colors on my base coat. Let's talk about our canvas. This is a Paramount Gallery Wrap canvas and I love it because the sides are so deep, and you know what, when you use a gallery wrap canvas there's no need to frame them because they just look so wonderful hung on your wall unframed. Plus I love the way the drips look on the side of my canvases when I do most of my pours. If the drips don't look good, I generally go in with one of those spongy brushes and I kind of clean it up, and a lot of times I paint all four of my sides black, and that kind of makes the composition on the front of your canvas pop up a little bit. So 10 by 20 gallery wrapped Paramount canvas that I got from, I think it was Dick's Blicks. Our base coat today is absolutely delicious. I am using Rus-oleum Metallic Soft Gold. The eagle has landed, my sweet painting peep. And we are almost out of that guy, and he's delicious. Now, my pouring medium, I changed it up a little bit because I had such great success yesterday with my swipe. So I've decided when I'm swiping, my pouring medium ratios are going to be 60% Floetrol and 40% Golden GAC 800. Now the reason for that is the GAC 800 leaves a beautiful sheen on your painting. It's archival, so there's no need to varnish it if you choose not to. It helps with cracking and grazing, although I always slow dry my canvases. When this baby is done, I immediately pick it up and I put it in an elongated plastic storage container and I cover him up for a couple of days, and then I eventually just lift one side of the lid and slowly let air in. I've had almost no issues with cracking and grazing. But another reason why I changed my pouring medium, only for my swipes, it makes my paints a little bit more fluid and they glide beautifully over the canvas. Now, not so much with a ring pour or a cloud pour. I need my paints to kind of stay a little bit thicker and stay more together so that they don't lose that composition. So that's our pouring medium today. We talked about the gold, and on the other side of the canvas we are doing the golden iridescent silver. Our swiping colors today are some of what we used for the last video. Golden carbon black, golden, and I'm not saying this guys, it's the Nico Azo Gold, and I'm not saying the Q word, I'm just not saying it. So many people sent me the correct pronunciation of this, and even with that I couldn't say it. I get tongue-tied, so this paint's going in there as well. We are also putting our base coat color, one of them, the golden iridescent silver, in our swipe. golden iridescent gold. And golden iridescent pearl. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on for y'all because I got some new tunes and I'm hoping you guys are digging on it. A lot of people have asked me, who is that? What's the artist name? Well, my music comes from what the heck's it called? It comes from Epidemic Sound. You can go on their website and it allows you to download copyright-free music. But from now on, what I'll do is I'll also put the name of the artist and the name of the song. There's some fun tunes on there, guys. So let's go ahead and get busy. Enjoy your tunes. Always happy when you join me, guys. And I'm wishing you a wonderful day or evening ahead.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding,